together.
Cow and chicken.
Duck and duckling.
Cat and dog. Elephant and giraffe.
Jump in the truck, come sing along. Bee and butterfly. Fly!
Seal. Tiger and zebra. Roar, gallop.
We're having fun at the sunny beach.
Whale and dolphin.
We're on Animal Island. Listen carefully. Did you hear that? Something's there. It's so small. They're so big.
Wow! A dolphin!
So many animals. Let's start with 15 animals.
This is an ant. Ant. A tiny red ant. 1, 2, 3 ants. 3 red ants, tiny ants, marching ants. This is a bear. Bear. A big brown bear. 1, 2 bears. 2 brown bears, big bears, happy bears. This is a bee. Bee. A yellow busy bee. 1, 2, 3 bees. 3 yellow bees, buzzing bees. This is a butterfly. Butterfly. A colorful butterfly. 2 butterflies. 2 colorful butterflies. Flying butterflies. Cute baby calf. 1, 2 calves. 2 cute calves, happy calves. Ant, bear, bee, butterfly, calf. Ant, bear, bee, butterfly, calf. Is a cat. Cat. A cute orange cat. 1, 2, 3 cats. 3 cute cats, happy cats. This is a chicken. Chicken. A funny chicken. 5 chickens. 2 funny chickens, clucking chicken. This is a chick. Chick. A little yellow chick. 3 chicks. 3 yellow chicks and 1 chicken. Happy family. This is a cow. Cow. A black and white cow. 4 cows. 4 cows, moo moo cow. This is a crab. Crab. A red sideways crab. Crabs. 3 red crabs, sideways crabs.
Cat, chicken, chick, cow, crab. Cat, chicken, chick, cow, crab.
This is a dog. Woof, woof. Dog. A friendly brown dog. 2 dogs. 2 happy dogs, friendly dogs. This is a dolphin. Dolphin. A smart blue dolphin. 2 dolphins. 2 blue dolphins, swimming dolphins. This is a duck. Duck. A yellow duck. 2 happy family. This is an elephant. Elephant. A big gray elephant. Two elephants. Two big elephants. Gray elephants. Dog. Dolphin. Duck. Duck. Duckling. Elephant. Dog. Dolphin. Duck. Duck. Duckling. Elephant.
Let's review the animals we know.
Ant. Bear. A big brown bear. A yellow busy bee. Two cute calves, happy cows. A cute orange cat. Chicken. Chicks. Cows. The butterfly. Butterfly. Crab. Crab. A dog. Woof woof.
Smart blue dolphin.
A yellow duck. A little yellow duckling. Elephant. A big gray elephant.
We're having fun at the farm park, hopping all around, with Mantoka and our friends jumping on the ground.
Hello everyone! Today we will learn the alphabet through 15 animals, part 2.
Fish. Fish. A little orange fish. Three little fish. Swimming fish.
Fish love swimming in the blue water. They use their fins to move and gills to breathe.
Foal. Foal. A baby horse foal next to a horse. Two baby foals. Happy foals.
Cute baby horse. It has long legs and loves running in green fields.
This is a frog. Frog. A green jumping frog. Frogs. Many green frogs, jumping frogs.
Jumpers with green skin. They say ribbit and catch flies with their long tongues.
Giraffe. Two tall giraffes. Yellow giraffe.
Giraffes are the tallest animals. They have very long necks to eat leaves from high treetops.
This is a goat. 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 A funny white goat.
Goats are playful animals with horns. They love climbing mountains and eating green grass all day long. Fish, foal, frog, giraffe, goat. Fish, foal, frog, giraffe, goat.
This is a goose. Goose. A funny white goose. Two white geese. Happy geese.
Geese have long necks and orange beaks. They love swimming in ponds and saying honk, honk loudly.
This is a hamster. Hamster. A small fluffy hamster.
Hamsters are tiny and fluffy pets. They love running on wheels and hiding food in their cheeks.
This is a hedgehog. Hedgehog. A cute spiky hedgehog. Two hedgehogs.
Two spiky hedgehogs, rolling hedgehogs. Hedgehogs have sharp prickles on their backs. They roll into a ball to stay safe and quiet. This is a horse. Horse. A strong brown horse next to a foal. Two horses. Two strong horses, running horses. Horses are very fast and strong. They love running across the fields and eat.
This is a kitten next to a big cat. Kitten. A little cute kitten.
Three kittens with a big cat. Three cute kittens and one big cat. Happy family.
A kitten is a soft baby cat.
It says meow and loves playing with a ball of yarn. Goose, hamster, hedgehog, horse, kitten. Goose, hamster, hedgehog, horse, kitten.
This is a lamb. Lamb! A soft white lamb. Two lambs, two soft lambs, happy lambs. A lamb is a sweet baby sheep. It has soft white wool and says ba-ba happily. This is a lion. Lion! A strong yellow lion. Two lions.
Roar, roar.
Two strong lions, happy lions. Lions are the kings of the jungle. They have big manes and a very loud, scary roar. This is a monkey. Monkey. A funny brown monkey. Three monkeys. Three funny monkeys, happy monkeys. Monkeys are funny and love climbing trees. They use their long tails to swing and eat bananas. This is a mouse. Mouse! A small gray mouse. Two mice. Two little mice, happy mice. A mouse is a tiny animal with big ears. It likes eating cheese and runs very fast.
This is an octopus. Octopus! A purple octopus.
Octopus lives deep in the ocean. It has 8 long arms and can change its color.
Two octopuses, happy octopuses. Lamb, lion, monkey, mouse, octopus. Lamb, lion, monkey, mouse, octopus.
Fish, foal, frog, giraffe, goat, lamb, lion, lion, monkey, mouse, goose, hamster, fish.
A little orange fish.
A foal is a cute baby horse.
Frog!
A green jumping frog
Is a goat.
Goat, goat. A funny white goose. Hamster,
Hamster.
this is a hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
This is a horse. Horse. A kitten is a soft baby cat.
This is a lamb. Lamb.
Lions are the kings of the jungle. Monkeys are funny and love climbing trees. A mouse is a tiny animal.
This is an octopus. Octopus.
Fish, foal, frog, giraffe, goat, lamb, happy puppies. Penguins are birds that love the cold ice. Swans are beautiful white birds with long necks. Two spiders, happy spiders. Seals live in the cold ocean. They have flippers to swim and love sliding on the ice.
This is a shark. Shark. A blue shark.
Hello, friends! Let's learn 50 Animals Lesson Part 3. Ostrich, owl, parrot, penguin, puppy, rabbit, seal, shark, sheep, snake. Let's start 5 animals first.
This is an ostrich. Ostrich. A tall, fast ostrich. Two ostriches. Two tall ostriches, happy ostriches.
Ostriches are the world's biggest birds. They cannot fly but can run very fast with long legs.
This is an owl. Owl. A brown owl. Two owls. Two owls, happy owls.
Owls are smart birds that stay awake at night. They have big eyes and can fly silently. Parrots are colorful birds with curved beaks. They are very clever and can learn to copy human voices.
This is a parrot. Parrot. A colorful parrot. Two colorful parrots, happy parrot. This is a peacock. Peacock.
A beautiful
colorful peacock. Two peacocks. Two colorful peacocks, happy peacocks.
Peacocks are famous for their beautiful tails. They open their colorful feathers like a big, bright fan.
Penguins are birds that love the cold ice. They cannot fly but are amazing and fast swimmers. This is a penguin, penguin, a cute penguin. Two penguins, happy penguins. Ostrich, owl, parrot, peacock, penguin, ostrich, owl, parrot, peacock, penguin. Pigs. Two pink pigs, happy pigs. Pigs are cute animals with flat pink snouts. They love rolling in mud and saying oink, oink. This is a puppy. Puppy. A cute puppy. Two puppies. Two puppies. Happy puppies. A puppy is a happy baby dog. It wags its tail and loves playing with a ball. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. A white rabbit. Two rabbits. Two rabbits. Happy rabbits. Rabbits have long ears and soft fur. They love hopping around and eating crunchy orange carrots. This is a seal. Seal. A gray seal. Two seals. Two seals. Happy seals. Seals live in the cold ocean. They have flippers to swim and love sliding on the ice. This is a shark. Shark. A blue shark. Two sharks. Two sharks, happy sharks.
Sharks are powerful swimmers in the deep sea. They have many sharp teeth and very strong fins.
Pig, puppy, rabbit, seal, shark. Pig, puppy, rabbit, seal, shark. This is a snake. Snake. A green snake. Two snakes. Two green snakes, happy snakes.
Snakes are long animals with no legs. They slide on the ground and make a hiss sound.
This is a spider. Spider. A purple spider. Two spiders. Two spiders, happy spiders.
Spiders have 8 busy legs. They are clever builders that spin silk webs to catch their food.
This is a squirrel. Squirrel. A brown squirrel. Two squirrels. Two squirrels, happy squirrels. Swans. Two white swans, happy swans.
Swans are beautiful white birds with long necks. They glide gracefully on the water of quiet ponds.
Sheep, snake, spider, squirrel, swan. Sheep, snake, spider, squirrel, swan.
Lesson Part 3 is finished. See you in 50 Animals Plan Part 4.
Tiger, tiger. An orange tiger with black stripes. Two tigers. Two striped tigers, happy tigers. Turtle, turtle. A green turtle. Two green turtles, happy turtles. A turkey, turkey. A brown turkey. black and white zebra. 2 zebras. 2 striped zebras, happy zebras.
Tiger, turtle, turkey.
Whale.
Zebra, tiger, turtle, turkey.
Whale.
Zebra,
Buffalo. Buffalo.
a strong gray buffalo.
3 buffaloes. 3 strong buffaloes.
Strong and calm animals. They love grass and help people on farms.
This is a pigeon. Pigeon. A small gray pigeon. 3 little pigeons, friendly pigeon. This is a ladybug. Ladybug. A red spotted ladybug. 3 ladybugs. 3 red ladybugs, happy ladybugs.
Ladybugs are tiny insects with red wings and black spots.
This is a camel. Camel.
A tall brown camel.
3 camels. 3 tall camels, desert camels.
A rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. A big gray rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are big and strong animals. They have thick skin and a horn on their nose.
Buffalo, pigeon, snail, ladybug, camel. Buffalo, pigeon, snail, ladybug, camel.
Starfish. Starfish. A pink starfish.
2, 3 starfish. 3 pink starfish, happy starfish.
Fish live in the ocean. They have 5 arms and move very slowly. This is a seahorse. Seahorse. A yellow seahorse.
2, 3 seahorses. 3 yellow seahorses, happy seahorse.
Seahorses live in the ocean. They swim slowly and curl their tails. This is an antelope.
Antelope.
A fast brown antelope. Antelopes are fast animals. They love running and jumping on grassland.
This is a koala. Koala. A gray koala. 2, 3 koalas. 3 sleepy koalas.
Koalas live in trees. They are calm and love resting and eating leaves. Let's meet the animals. Rhinoceros, starfish, seahorse, antelope, and koala. Rhinoceros, starfish, seahorse, antelope, and koala.
Fish, bull, frog, giraffe, goat, lamb, lion, monkey,